In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable Gumroad Discover in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Gumroad Discover helps promote your products to new customers directly on the Gumroad platform. If your products are eligible, they can appear in recommendations and discover listings, helping you increase visibility and sales. Now, if you want to enable Gumroad Discover, here's what to do. Start by opening the official Gumroad website and logging into your account. Next, go to your dashboard after signing in. After that, open the Discover section or visit your product settings. Then, make sure your payout settings are fully completed because Gumroad Discover eligibility usually requires verified payout information. Now, confirm that your account has completed the verification or risk review process if required. After that, make sure your products are published and not saved as drafts. Then, select the correct category for each product because products without categories may not appear in Discover recommendations. Next, enable ratings and reviews for your products if the option is available because product engagement can help improve Discover visibility. After that, make sure your product has at least one successful sale because Gumroad Discover may require some sales activity before recommending products publicly. Then, improve your product page with a professional cover image, clear description, pricing information, and strong product presentation. Usually, Gumroad Discover eligibility issues happen because payout settings are incomplete, products are unpublished, categories are missing, or account verification is unfinished. So carefully review these requirements. That's it. By completing your account setup and optimizing your products properly, you can enable Gumroad Discover and increase your chances of reaching new customers successfully.